Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 mistakes that new YouTubers make and how to fix them. These are common errors that can prevent you from reaching your full potential on YouTube, so pay close attention and avoid them at all costs.
Mistake number 1. Creating videos about everything. One of the biggest mistakes new YouTubers make is creating videos about everything and anything, without having a clear focus or niche. This can confuse your audience and make it hard for them to know what your channel is about. It can also hurt your chances of ranking in search results and getting recommended by YouTube.
The fix: find your niche and stick to it. A niche is a specific topic or theme that you're passionate about and that you can provide value to your viewers with. For example, if you love gaming, you can make videos about gaming tips, reviews, tutorials, etc. If you love cooking, you can make videos about recipes, techniques, kitchen hacks, etc. By having a niche, you can attract a loyal fan base that shares your interest and that will watch more of your videos.
Mistake number 2. Having unrealistic expectations. Another mistake new YouTubers make is having unrealistic expectations or goals for their channel. They think that they can get millions of views and subscribers overnight, or that they can make a lot of money from YouTube right away. This can lead to frustration, disappointment, and burnout. The fix: set realistic and achievable goals for your channel. YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term commitment that requires hard work, patience, and consistency. Don't compare yourself to other YouTubers who have been doing this for years, or who have different resources or circumstances than you. Focus on your own progress and celebrate every milestone you reach. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight, it happens over time. Mistake number 3. Not optimizing your videos. A third mistake new YouTubers make is not optimizing their videos for how their audience searches. They don't pay attention to the quality of their thumbnails, titles, descriptions, and tags. They write them from the perspective of the expert, not the viewer. This can result in low click-through rates, low watch time, and low rankings. The fix: optimize your videos for how your audience searches. Use keywords that are relevant to your niche and that your viewers are likely to use when looking for your content. Make sure your thumbnails are eye-catching, clear, and relevant to your video. Write titles that are catchy, descriptive, and include your main keyword. Write descriptions that are informative, engaging, and include a call to action. Use tags that are specific, relevant, and match your title and description. Mistake number 4. Trying to be perfect or copy others. A fourth mistake new YouTubers make is trying to be perfect or copy other YouTubers instead of being authentic and original. They think that they need to have the best equipment, the best editing skills, or the best personality to succeed on YouTube. They also think that they need to follow the trends or copy what other popular YouTubers are doing to get views. The fix: be yourself and be creative. You don't need to have the best equipment or the best editing skills to make good videos. You just need to have good content that provides value to your viewers. You also don't need to follow the trends or copy what others are doing to get views. You need to find your own voice and style that makes you stand out from the crowd. Be yourself and be creative. Mistake number 5. Doing everything alone. A fifth mistake new YouTubers make is doing everything alone and not seeking feedback or collaboration. They think that they can handle everything by themselves, or that they don't need anyone else's help or opinion. This can limit their growth and learning opportunities. The fix: seek feedback and collaboration. Feedback is essential for improving your skills and learning from your mistakes. Ask your viewers for feedback on your videos, such as what they liked, what they didn't like, what they want to see more of, etc. You can also ask other YouTubers for feedback on your channel, such as what they think of your niche. I hope you like these tips and I hope you start a successful YouTube journey.
In this channel I share tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel fast. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos.